Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I want to show you how to create a bar chart overlaying another bar chart in Excel. When we create a clustered bar or column chart with two data series, the two data series bars will be shown side by side, but sometimes we need to use the overlay or overlap bar chart to compare the two data series more clearly. Please do the following steps to achieve this task. Select the data range that you want to create an overlap chart. Click on the Insert tab in the Charts group. Click the Insert column or bar chart drop-down list and select the clustered column. After creating the clustered chart, right-click one series bar and then choose Change Series Chart Type from the context menu. In the Change Chart Type dialog box, click Combo in the left pane. Under the All Charts tab, then click Custom Combination Chart in the right section and check one checkbox in the secondary axis list. Then click OK to close the dialog box. Go on selecting the data series bar and right-click to choose Format Data Series from the context menu. In the popping up Format Data Series pane, click the Series option. Adjust the gap width to make the bar wider or narrower as your need. Then click Fill and Line button. Click Fill to expand it. In the Fill section, select the solid fill. And then select the same color with another data series. At the same time, increase the transparency. Finally, you got the following overlapping bar chart. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.